Volume is measured in cubic units because it represents a three-dimensional space. It has a length, a width, and a height. Some common cubic units are cubic meters, cubic centimeters, cubic millimeters. But there are other units as well. For example, cubic decimeters, cubic kilometers, cubic hectometers, and cubic decameters. Now, how do we do the conversion from one cubic unit into other cubic unit? So let us look into it. Let us first recall the basic unit conversion chart. We have kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Once we go from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, we multiply it by 10. For example, 1 kilometer is 10 hectometers. Similarly, 1 decimeter is 10 centimeters. And while we go from a smaller unit to a bigger unit, we divide it by 10. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeters. Now, but we need to do cubic unit conversion, right? So let us first try converting centimeter cube to millimeter cube. Now we know from this chart that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. How about if I multiply 1 centimeter with 1 centimeter? That would mean 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter, right? And similarly, if I just multiply 1 centimeter to itself 3 times, 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, that will be equal to 10 millimeter multiplied to itself 3 times, right? Now, 1 into 1 into 1 is 1, and centimeter multiplied to itself 3 times would give us 1 centimeter cube, and that would be equal to 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000. So, this is 1000 millimeter cube. So, we can say that 1000 cubic millimeters is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. There is a shorter way around it too. We know that 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. Now, since we need 1 centimeter cube, so let's cube this. Cube of 1 centimeter will then be equal to cube of 10 millimeter. So, this gives us 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1000 millimeter cube. Let us look at one more example. This time, let us try convert cubic kilometer to cubic hectometer. Now, again, we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometers. So, 1 kilometer multiplied to itself 3 times would be equal to 10 into 10 into 10 hectometer. That would be 1 kilometer cube is equal to 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000 hectometer cube. 1000 cubic hectometers is equal to 1 cubic kilometer. Now, there are other conversions as well. For example, we can do the same conversions for all of these units. We have 1000 cubic centimeters, which is equal to 1 cubic decimeter. 1000 cubic decimeters is equal to 1 cubic meter. 1000 cubic meters is equal to 1 decameter. Similarly, 1000 cubic decameters is equal to 1 hectometer. Now, let's just do one more, okay? This time, we want to convert meter cube to centimeter cube. So, let's see. 1 meter is equal to 10 into 10. That is 100 centimeters. So, let's cube on both sides. 1 meter cube is equal to cube of 100 centimeter, which will give us 100 into 100 into 100. That is 6 zeros, right? We can also write it as 10 raised to power 6 centimeter cube.